Driven by their deep love for island landscapes and cultures, an entire family jointly launched a highly significant island-themed photography contest. Open to photography enthusiasts worldwide, the contest extensively solicited photographic works that showcase the unique natural scenery and cultural charm of islands across the globe. From the golden silhouette of the dreamy overwater bungalows in the Maldives at sunset, to the vibrant costumes and devout expressions of dancers during traditional Balinese festivals, from the blue and white fairy-tale towns of Santorini, to the labor scenes of fishermen casting nets off the coast of Hainan Island, each photograph carried the photographer's profound affection and insights for the islands. After rigorous screening by a panel of professional judges, the winning works were grandly exhibited at the Miami Art Center. Inside the exhibition hall, the stunning photographic works drew numerous art lovers and tourists who stopped to admire them. Viewers felt as if they were transported to various island worlds, experiencing the extraordinary craftsmanship of nature and the rich diversity of human culture. This photography contest was a visual feast and a public welfare act. Part of the proceeds was donated to island ecological restoration projects like coral reef cultivation and beach cleanup, integrating art and public welfare, and helping preserve island beauty and ecological balance.